New at 6, a West Toledo mother charged with endangering her children was arraigned in court this afternoon. Maryann Baran and her husband Jason here were both charged after Toledo police did a child wellness check on the home on August 31st. The report states they found Baran's children hungry, without food, clothes, or furniture, and covered in mud and feces. But it's not the first time officers were at the house and saw these conditions. Maryann pleaded not guilty to her child endangerment charge this afternoon. She'll be joining her husband Jason in fighting these charges in court. Our crews went to their apartment complex this afternoon. Neighbors say they would often see Baran's children hungry, running around naked outside. None of them could remember a time they saw the children wearing clothes. One neighbor claims that she and her husband called Child Protective Services at least twice this summer, once in June and then again in August. But it wasn't until the end of August, the 31st, when police finally executed a child wellness check. Despite noting similar conditions in June and July, their August report describes inhumane conditions and stories of physical and sexual abuse, which led to charges for both parents and the children going into foster care. Dr. Christy Jenkins, the CEO of Children Abuse Prevention Center, says it's going to take a lot of work to make these children whole again.
Who knows if they're going to need medical care because they are so emaciated. They're definitely going to need some mental health treatment. From what I understand, some of the children might not be super verbal because they haven't been in regular school. And so they need to be getting education. And so just a total wraparound.
WTOL 11 tried talking to Maryann this afternoon to try to get her side of the story, but she declined an on-camera interview. There's also an internal investigation at TPD into why those officers did not report these conditions until late August.